I think it is now clear, okay, that the government of the Republic of Kenya must come out clearly and give Kenyans a roadmap for the reopening of educational institutions. It is now more than obvious that the COVID-19 pandemic is here with us and is going to be part of our lives. I don't think it is advisable for the government to continue keeping parents and students in perpetual suspense over the dates of the reopening of schools and colleges. I think science is important, but common sense is more important. Already the damage is enormous. The damage of keeping schools and colleges shut for now more than 5 months is too obvious to be ignored. And the Cabinet Secretary for Education, in consultation with other stakeholders, must put in place mechanisms to have learning resumed. Learning has to resume one way or another. And this cannot wait for January next year. It's now clear that there is no basis upon which we are pegging the reopening of schools and colleges in January 2021. We can still save on the time which is remaining in this particular year by putting in place mechanisms to at least allow candidates for KCPE and KCSE to resume learning formally, not these community things, to resume learning formally at the very earliest, at the very latest, say, September 2020.